It's Hugo Clay back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my bed.
My bed is really messy right now, so let's get on to the video.
Alright, first I tear my bed apart even more. And so since my sheet is already on, I will not be needing my old sheet, so let's throw that out. Ow! Okay, put that into close. Okay, so I'm gonna want this blanket to be on the I'm gonna want this blanket to be on the bottom. So let's make it all nice. And I sleep with my head. I sleep with my head right here. No, I sleep with my head right there. Then I want this to be the second one I use. So oh my God, I can't get this. All right. So first, I think I might have a little OCD because I need everything to be all straight and perfect. So okay. Now this blanket will be next. And yes, I know you guys are probably thinking, this is a lot of blankets. But I do have a 2-bed. It's supposed to be, there's supposed to be a bed under this bed. And there is, it just does not have a mattress yet. So, yeah. So that's how it looks so far. We still have a lot to go, people. Okay, so now this blanket. And no, I probably won't sleep with all these blankets tonight, but you know, this is my grandma's house, so. Ah! Okay. I know, like, my bed, I post snaps of me doing, well, of my bed already made, not of me making my bed. So, and it looks really glamorous and good. So, time to put the pillows on. The pillows, they always have to match. No matter what, they have to match. So, here's the pillow to the one under that. And that pillow will go right there. This actually alright. You will see the rest of it when it's done. That's how it looks right now, but you will see the rest of it when it's done, so see you in 1 sec. Guys, so here it is. So I know that
That pillow right there doesn't match the glam, but look on the other side. I just thought this side was cuter. There's that to match the blanket and the pillow, but I just thought that side was cuter. So, what do you guys think? And also, these are flip pillows. The flip pillows. Same with the girl power. It's a flip pillow. And same with the blue. Flip pillow. So, I'm proud of my job. Like, okay, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you know whenever I post another video. Tell me down in the comments below if you want me to do more tours like this, like a house tour, a room tour, or more cleaning videos. Peace. Squad 18.